The one weapon I took was a knife, and I killed an alligator, skinned it, and welcome back, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon. I hope you guys are having a great day today. We are just going to show more progression today. I hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog, and I seen that in the comments you guys actually did enjoy the progression that we're doing. You guys love how Tonka's coming out, which of course I do too, and I'm glad you guys enjoy it. And I hope I keep this decently entertaining, but with the progression today, we'll just be installing pretty parts, hanging out, and by the way, to all my gunners out there, I hope you guys had a great gunner day. I enjoyed mine. I hope you enjoyed yours. Let's get to the vlog. Alright guys, so we are using 94 through 01 Integra rear trailing arms. They are DC2 rear trailing arms. They're disc, but we are not going to put those OEM hubs on yet. We need to clean them up. I actually forgot about them. But with these bushings, these are TSM Race spherical bushings. There are other companies that sell them, but they should install exactly the same once you press out your bushings, which say it's on the press. Some people don't use a press, but the bushing goes out this way. Your trailing arms up this way, your bushing will get pressed out that way. But you could press them in or bolt in. These ones are bolt in. You place them right here. I'm going to need to take a mallet. Once it's flush, then you just mark it with a little hole punch. Take them out so you don't damage them, and then drill a hole. To the correct size, I use a step bit, the little cone bits, and use the supplied hardware. This is the part number, and I'll show you guys when they're on. And you guys are on the tripod. So with the supplied hardware, keep it exactly like this. I did that side off camera because this side actually faces closer to you guys. So have the Allen bolt up top and the lock nut underneath. Here's the other side, same thing. And then we will be using a number 8 Allen key with a 17 millimeter socket. So snug these up. Come on. It's already snug. I just wanted to rotate it to where I'm just being a little tedious to where all the letters are facing the same way. There we go. And then with this actually connects it to the chassis. So you see this little CNC line right here? There we go. It actually prevents it from moving. So it will not go in through this side, but it will, come on this side. But here is our toe adjustment kit. Like I mentioned in the last video, I need to hit up Tri-State, and I actually might get a PCI spherical camber kit, or nah, I want it to match the front. So we'll get True Heart camber kit. It did just fall apart. The little spherical things, but I will hit up Tri-State and then get that True Heart camber kit ordered. Come on, really? Sometimes spherical stuff can be a pain. Well, you do not need spherical for the camber kit or this. They do the same exact thing. I just wanted it to match. I got a little bougie with it, but got a little fancy. So I actually install it this way, so the lettering will be up and down, and then I'll find the Downstar hardware and put you guys underneath the car. Actually, before I go underneath the car, look how good it looks. It actually came out really good. So for our coilover adjustment, the way I do it, see how it spins loose right here? And then it's raising the car up because it's going this way, and then giving more space. Now we're as low as we can be with this coilover. So with this facing the front of the car, let's do 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then spin this, and then lock it in. So that's locked in. We're kind of locked in. It's just mocked up because we do not know where we need it right now. And we also do not have our camber kit. But I will do this to the other side and then grab the arms. Okay guys, so first, since we don't have a lift, I apologize for the way the camera is, but it is what it is. I know you guys understand. So we'll get this trailing arm up first. Let's see. I will do the trailing arm bushing first. And then it should hold everything up. So I'm just using, I think that's called your forearm. I'm not really good at body parts, honestly. But just holding it up and starting it out by hand. Come on, where you at? So, anyway, I don't know if you guys know this. I was on a episode of Naked and Afraid. Yeah, being serious. Story time. So, it was episode 1, or season 1, episode 11, and it was a 47-minute episode. And I was the 8th person on that video. But, anyway, got that one. Where's the hardware? Where's the hardware? The one weapon I took was a knife, and I killed an alligator, skinned it, and you just see me washing, like after I skinned it, you see me washing the skin, and then you'll probably think, what is he doing? Then you see me with twine. And then you gotta remember the alligator has short arms. So it was like right here. Twine. Boom. I'm walking around like an alligator, bro. That's no cap. No cap. But yeah, I'll finish getting this arm on and then update you guys. Alright guys, so I finally got it threaded in. This one I had to trim a little bit because it was hitting something on the inside of Tonka's chassis. Like the unibody. It was barely missing any, and then whenever I kept tightening, I said, okay, maybe it's rusted. On the tip of it, it messed up the thread. So I just took that like maybe 1/4 inch or so. I think it's maybe 1/4 inch or less. Cut that off. He threads in fine and still a whole bunch of thread. And then this one just ended up going all the way through. So either way, here is the tow arm. And then this little thing is what usually goes into, which of course it still is. But the adjustment would only be this, because this on OEM, as some of you may know, is just one stock unit. And then whenever it bolts up, wherever this is, you just angle the whole arm and then tighten it where you need it. But with this, you have more adjustment along with that. Alright guys, so now for the FCS Billet rear lower control arm, I like going here, starting it on this side, get your hardware. Sorry if my head was in the way. So start that, and then move your way. Cut one at a time because it's spherical. Bushing kind of sucks because they always fall out, but so let's go for the trailing arm this time. And then after we hit the trailing arm, then we'll go for the coilover. If it fits in the trailing arm, come on, powder coat. Don't do this to me. Come on, powder coat. Okay, so the powder coating is going to be a little bit of a problem because now it's really in there. Let's try this way. Let's try it this way. So I might need to keep it right here. And I'm going to grab a mallet. Got the mallet. So, I know. Come on, powder coat. All that to look pretty. All that. Go there. So now we can finally. Did I not grab it? I did not grab it. Be right back. Hey, surprise. I was just laying on it. I was like, I swear I grabbed it. Got that one. Stay. Push this up. And then get this coilover to be in the right spot. And boom. Just gotta line it up. I was like, come on, you gotta start. Ta-da! Wait. Nah, that wouldn't be a good thumb. That would not be a good thumbnail. I thought, maybe? No. Oh yeah. That looks so good. And then tomorrow, which I guess would be today, I'll be hitting up Tri-State and then getting the camber kit. The suspension is almost done. So now that we got the rear trailing arm on, and I showed you guys that, I'll get the other one done off camera. And before we conclude this video, let's get the steering rack in. It might not be permanently in because we have to buy that PVC pipe thing that we use on Coopty to accommodate the difference of a power steering rack to a manual rack. So let's just see how it goes. Alright guys, so let's try. Let's keep this little plastic thing that comes with the rack though, and see if it actually helps out space this. And then maybe we won't have to go buy the plastic thing. Maybe that's why they put it there, honestly. And I put the piece of tape right here to try to help with the lighting because the aluminum's so bright. So let's go through the pasture first. Come on. And then work our way over here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Try to keep it all nice. After all, we did spend some money on it. And it fits alright. This is why you buy OEM. But no, that's in a weird spot. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. But let's mount this. Nah. Yeah, we're gonna need it. We're gonna need a little PVC pipe. Let's got some play in it. But for now, let's just mock it up. See where we're at and see what we need to do. Yeah, see that doesn't even line up, so probably just gonna slice it right here and then shift the grommet over. But this would be like this. Put that there. Yeah, that doesn't even fit that good. Really? Come on. Yeah, that doesn't even like that. That doesn't even like that. You guys see that? Huh. Is it just because? No. I might have to shave the rubber down, pause. And then cut and then scoot it over. Because this is pretty much straight. And then it's just... I'll show you guys off the tripod. Alright, so we're cutting it close because my phone's about to die. But that doesn't look bad. I wonder if I should add a washer right here. But like I said, I mean, this might hold it up, but with you turning and stuff, it's probably gonna fall down. So we might as well take this off, especially since this doesn't fit. But we'll probably pull this sleeve over here because the zip tie must have broke or something. I did get this. This is an aftermarket one. So cut right here with a razor. Make sure that this is zip tied to that. And then try to get from underneath this and rotate it and scoot it over where we need it. That is probably what we will do. And then, honestly, I don't know what to do about this. I don't even know if the OEM one will fit. I'm gonna go grab the OEM. Come on, let's go grab the OEM one. Let's grab the one that came with it. So this is the one that came with it. I still need to figure something out with that spindle. So that doesn't even like it. So maybe we just need to cut this, scoot it over, put this around it. Nah, that's still weird. I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so we might as well conclude the video now because my phone's at 13%. It's 11:15 at night and I work in the morning. And I just gotta fix that off camera and update you guys what I did. Cinematics are gonna be on hold right now because I am getting copyrighted. Yes, like we are slowly growing and I do not want this channel shut down because I even claim it in the description, but it's not enough. I'm still learning YouTube. But yeah, I'll fix the wreck off camera and I'll update you guys with what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. You know, drop a like. Who knows where we're gonna go with this channel. I hope we get somewhere pretty far. I hope we start growing And man, you guys are killing it. 149? 149? It was 147 yesterday. 147 on Gunner Day. 47. But stay blessed, stay slaying. Most importantly, keep fucking gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.